Mental strategies, linking addition and subtraction 3. We're going to move on here and look at all the combinations of addition and subtraction calculations we can get out of a number family like 17, 5 and 22. I'm going to set up my bar diagram, talk to my learners about which is the big is 22. Now 17 and 5 are both small, but this is quite a lot larger as a small than the 5 is, so I'm going to split my bar here, have my 17 and have my 5. And now I want to elicit from the children and help them establish the 4 addition calculations and the 4 subtraction calculations that you can get from this. So addition, I can have 5 plus 17 is equal to 22, and 17 plus 5 is equal to 22. The ones that the children might not be so sure about is reversing this. They often think that the answer has to come after the equals, but of course equals means both sides of the equation have the same value. So I can write 22 is equal to 5 plus 17, and 22 is equal to 17 plus 5. Subtraction problems. I've got 22 and I can subtract the 17 and I can see I've got 5 left over, and 22 I can subtract the 5 and see that I've got 17 left over, and in the same way I can reverse these. I can write that 5 is equal to 22 minus 17, and also that 17 is equal to 22 minus 5. It's important that we work with children on the idea that there's a correct way of reading this. So you're not just putting the 3 numbers together in any old order. So for example, a learner might suggest something like 17 minus 5 is equal to 22. And we need to talk about why that's not correct in relation to the diagram. If I've got 17 and I take the 5 off the 17, well, I'm not going to be ending up with 22. So that one's not an appropriate one to use.